Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Notes, Changing the Way of Learning। स्वागत है आप सबका। अब हम बात करने जा रहे हैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट सर्वेइंग का पार्ट 9 लेके। यहाँ पे मैं डिस्कस करूँगा सर्वेइंग का कुछ MCQ क्वेश्चन आंसर जो आपका कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होगा। तो चलिए अभी स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ। देखिए 139 नंबर क्वेश्चन, द रेशियो ऑफ द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्टिव टू दैट ऑफ एन आई पीस ऑफ द टेलीस्कोप इज कॉल्ड इट्स मैग्निफिकेशन। करेक्ट आंसर डी। फोकल लेंथ एंड आई पीस ऑफ ए टेलीस्कोप, ये दोनों का रेशियो को मैग्निफिकेशन कहा जाता। द पावर ऑफ ए टेलीस्कोप टू फॉर्म डिस्टिंग्विशेबल इमेज of objects separated by small angular distance is called its resolving power। Correct answer D। The magnification of a telescope is the ratio of the angle subtended at the eye by the virtual image of the object to that subtended by the object। It is correct। 142 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखो, the angle of field of the telescope it independent of the size of the object glass। Yes, it is correct। Increases as the size of the eyepiece increases। Yes, it is correct। Decreases as the distance between eyes and object increase। Yes, यहाँ पे correct answer D, all of the above। correct answer D। उसके बाद देखो, the capability of showing small angular movements of the level tube vertically is called its sensitivity। It is right। correct। In order to measure a horizontal angle more accurately than a vernier is method of repetition is used। correct answer A। In measuring horizontal angles, the theodolite should be turned clockwise from the back station to the forward station। correct answer B। correct answer B। 146 नंबर 146, the method of reiteration of measuring horizontal angle is generally preferred when several angles are to be measured at a particular station। It is correct। Yes, it is correct। Yes, an angle made by a survey line with the prolongation of the preceding line is known as deflection angle। A deflection angle in a traverse is equal to the difference between the included angle and 180 degree। correct answer A। The deflection angle may have any value between between 0 degree and 180 degree, 0 degree and 180 degree। 150 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखो, an angle measured clockwise from the preceding survey line to the following survey line is called direct angle, The deflection angle may be directly obtained by setting the instrument to read dash on the back station। यहाँ पे 0 डिग्री आंसर होगा, 0 डिग्री। जीरो डिग्री। 152 the direct angle may have any value between 0 degree and 360 degree। 153 नंबर क्वेश्चन, in railway and highway works the method of measuring the deflection angles is generally employed। यहाँ पे fill in the blanks, यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर होगा डिफ्लेक्शन एंगल। An angle between the inclined line of sight and the horizontal is called vertical angle। Generally, the deflection angle is measured twice, once with the telescope normal and once with the telescope reversed। True, it is correct। In locating the details of an object whose direct measurement is not possible due to some obstruction, the method used is by angle from one station and distance from the other station। Correct answer B। 157 number question, in locating the details of increasable objects visible at least from transit station, the method used is यहाँ पे ए बी सी ऑप्शन में कोई भी नहीं होगा। करेक्ट आंसर none of the above। The traversing by the method of deflection angle is chiefly used in canals, highways, railways। यहाँ पे तीनों ही करेक्ट आंसर होगा, इसलिए करेक्ट आंसर डी, ऑल ऑफ दीज। In precision theodolite traverse for roads and railways, the angular error of closure should not exceed 1 minute root n। Correct answer D। The projection of a traverse line on a line perpendicular to the meridian is known as departure of the line। Which of the following statement is wrong? कौन सा स्टेटमेंट रॉन्ग? यहाँ पे देखो चारों स्टेटमेंट दिया हुआ, इसमें कौन सा वाला इनकरेक्ट है, रॉन्ग। यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर होगा सी, द लैटिट्यूड इज पॉजिटिव व्हेन मेजर्ड डाउनवर्ड और साउथवर्ड। इट इज रॉन्ग। द प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ ए ट्रैवर्स लाइन ऑन ए लाइन parallel to the meridian is also known as latitude of the line. Correct answer A. In any closed traverse, if the survey arc is correct, then the algebraic sum of latitude should be equal to 0. Correct. The algebraic sum of departures should be equal to 0. Correct. The sum of northing should be equal sum of southing. करेक्ट. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर डी होगा, ऑल ऑफ द अबोव. 164 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखो. द लैटिट्यूड ऑफ ए ट्रैवर्स लाइन obtained by multiplying its length with the cosine of its radius bearing. Correct. एक 165 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखो. द डिपार्चर ऑफ ए ट्रैवर्स लाइन इज obtained by multiplying its length with the tangent of its reduced bearing. It is incorrect. When the whole circle bearing of a traverse line is between 90 degree and 180 degree, then the departure is positive and latitude is negative. Correct answer B. The latitude and departure of a traverse line are both positive when the whole circle bearing of the line lies in the first quadrant. Correct answer A. 168 number question. When the latitude and departures are so adjusted that the algebraic sum of the latitude and departures are equal to 0, the operations is called balancing the traverse. Correct answer C. When the angular and linear measurements are equally precise in traversing, the balancing of a traverse is done by Browditch rules. When the angular measurements of a traverse are more precise than the linear measurements, the balancing of a traverse is done by transit rule. उसके बाद देखो 171 नंबर क्वेश्चन. The length of a traverse line L may be obtained by L equal to root over under root latitude whole square into departure whole square. L equal to latitude into secant of reduced bearing. L equal to departure into cosecant of reduced bearing. यहाँ पे एनी वन ऑफ द अबव, ऊपर का कोई भी आंसर हो सकता. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर डी, एनी वन ऑफ द अबव. द डिस्टेंस बाय व्हिच द लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द ट्रैवर्स falls short to coincide with the starting points is called the closing errors. It is correct. The method of surveying used for determining the relative heights of points on the surface of the earth is called leveling. ये लेवलिंग का डेफिनेशन है. The method of surveying used for determining the relative heights of the points on the surface of the earth is called leveling. Leveling मतलब height measurement, vertical distance. A surface which is normal to the direction of gravity at all points as indicated by a plumb line is known as level surface. An arbitrary surface with reference to which the elevation of points are measured and compared is called datum surface. A line normal to the plumb line at all points is known as level line. Correct answer C. A vertical line at any point is a line normal to the level surface at that point. Yes, it is correct. उसके बाद देखो, the vertical distance above or below the datum is called reduced level of the point, elevation of the point, height of the instrument. यहाँ पे A और B, reduce level of the point, elevation of the point, ये दोनों में कोई भी हो सकता है. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर डी. The height of instrument is the height of the center of the telescope above the ground where the level is set up. False. It is false. यहाँ पे देखो 180 नंबर क्वेश्चन, ये मैचिंग करने बोला, मैचिंग करने के लिए. यहाँ पे देखो the first stop reading taken after setting up the instrument is called backside. ये जो backside, करेक्ट आंसर सी. यहाँ पे सी होगा, सी. The last stop reading taken before removing the instrument. Foresight. Correct answer D. When the point is above the datum, the reduced level of the points will be. When the point is above the datum, the reduced level of the point will be positive. ये वाला ये होगा. A point on which the staff is held is called station. जिसका ऊपर स्टाफ पकड़ना पड़ता उसको स्टेशन पॉइंट कहा जाता. A backside indicates the setting up of the instrument. The point on which the instrument is set up is called station point. The point on which instrument is set up is called station point. Is called station point. It is correct. It is correct. A fixed point of reference of known elevation is called benchmark. Very, very important. Very, very important. number question 184. An imaginary line tangential of the longitudinal curve of the bubble tube at its middle point is called axis of level tube. A staff reading taken on a benchmark or a point of known elevation is called backside reading. A very, very important question है. A staff reading taken on a point whose elevation determined on an change point is foresight reading. The line of collimation should be horizontal when staff reading are being taken. Horizontal. Correct answer B. 188 188 number question 188. To find the true difference of level between 2 points, the level should be kept exactly midway between the 2 points. Correct answer B. For accurate work, the lengths of backside and foresight are kept unequal. It is correct. Agree. मतलब correct. The reduced level of the plane of collimation is equal to height of instrument. Very, very important question है. देखो 191. The height of instrument is equal to reduced level of benchmark plus backside. Correct answer A. HI equal to RL plus BS backside. RL plus BS equal to HI or HI equal to RL plus BS. उसके बाद देखो the labeling should always commence from a temporary benchmark and end on a permanent benchmark. It is incorrect. A method of differential labeling is used in order to find the difference in elevation between 2 points when they are too far apart. Correct. These are There are obstacles between them as the difference in elevation between them is too great. यहाँ पे all of the aboves are correct answer. The collimation method for obtaining the reduced level of points does not provide a check on four sides only, yes, intermediate sides only, yes, back sides only, yes. यहाँ पे all of these correct answer. all of these, सॉरी यहाँ पे नंबरिंग गलत हुआ. देखो 194 नंबर क्वेश्चन. द कॉलिमेशन मेथड फॉर containing the reduced levels of points does not provide a checks on intermediate sides. उसके बाद देखो 195. The rise and fall method for obtaining the reduced levels of points provides a check on four sides only, intermediate sides only, back sides only. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर डी होगा, all of these. It is required to find the difference in elevation between 2 points A and B during leveling. It is found that the staff reading at B is more than the staff reading at A. It indicates that the point A is higher than the point B. Collimation method is used in profile leveling or profile leveling. Correct answer A. Collimation method is used in profile leveling. Rise and fall method is used in check leveling. ये दोनों वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. 197 198 नंबर. राइज फॉल मेथड चेक लेवलिंग, कॉलिमेशन मेथड प्रोफाइल लेवलिंग. 199 नंबर क्वेश्चन. The method of leveling in which the height of mountains are found by observing the temperature at which water boils is known as hypometry. Correct answer D. Which of the following statement is correct? The combined effect of curvature and refraction in leveling is to increase the staff reading. Correct answer C. In leveling, the effect of refraction varies with the atmospheric conditions. It is correct, yes. उसके बाद देखो 202 नंबर. When the effect of curvature is taken into account in leveling, the true staff reading is obtained by subtracting the correction of curvature from the observed staff reading. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर बी घटाना पड़ेगा, माइनस करना पड़ेगा। सो गाइज इट इज मच फॉर टुडे। अगर आप हमारा चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करिए। थैंक यू।